Hello, 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 and welcome one more time here to BitBrothers Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. I'm Casquinha Crypto, and today again I am by myself because Papa is still settling down in Brazil, um, and he will probably be with us next week. Okay, if not, I will be here until he come back. So he's taking a little bit time off to arrange everything, and he will be back. So nice to be here, guys. Let me just put another. Let me just turn here to my other computer and put my other computer up. Like this, I can check. So a lot of rumors regarding Bitcoin going to. Let me put this down so I can see the chat. A lot of rumors, Bitcoin going to 20 or 25K. What do you believe? I believe that will happen for 100%. Happy Friday, brother. Hope you're good. Post-astronaut. Happy Friday. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, I think Bitcoin is still gonna. Do you know what? I was watching a show yesterday. I don't remember which show I was watching, and as one of the guys saying that Bitcoins, we might see a spike in the market happen. What's happening? So we might see some market maker move the market a little bit, meaning that we might see a spike on Bitcoins and some alts, only so people can believe that the price will gonna go up, so people can start putting money in, and then they can dump and things, and then we will see a probably very big dip. I particularly believe that we're gonna go below 20K. I'm not sure if that's what's gonna happen, because again, in crypto, everything is possible. But hey, look at the fear and greedy today. So the fear and greed today, guys. So fear and greed here, as you can see, multifactorial crypto market sentiment analyst. It's at 12. Is extreme fears, extreme fear, extreme, and these have been ever since last month. So that we are in a very strong bear market, and I believe things still gonna go worse before get better. And some people ask me, how long this shall last? Well, some are saying can last for 6 months, 3 months, 10 months, a year, or even more. And if you have been following us here on the channel, you know that we've been talking a lot about you studying new projects, finding new opportunities, finding ways of when the next bull run comes, because trust me, it will come. And when it comes, you will look back and you're gonna think, why have I not put some of my capital, my investments on this project that I love? I knew this project would be here within 5 years anyway, within the next bull run. Why I didn't do it? So remember, nothing here, it's financial advice. Guys, today my Twitter, it's awful. For some reason, it's not loading or not working properly. So I cannot get you some information from there, but now, nevertheless, here is, let me just close here because of the wind. Otherwise, the door is going to start making noise. So how is the market today? Let's have a look. In the last 24 hours, we have some up. Well, oh, by the way, it went up 0.61% in the last couple of hours, to be honest, because this morning I checked and was still down. So the global crypto market cap is at 1.22 trillion dollars. So at 0.61% increase, which is awesome. Where is it? Here. Curve down went up 6.75%. Bitcoin Gold at 6.26%. Polkadot trying to fight the way back up at 6.33%, at $9.67. Ethereum Classic 22 it still went up a little bit at 5.82 percent. VChain went up 1 cent at 3.73%. The Graph went up 3%, Zilliqa 3%, the majority now 3%, Harmony 3%, Bora Bora 3%, Theta Network at 2.73, Kavina 2.51. Guys, and this sandbox, even XRP trying to go back up again at 2.49%. Remember that the market now, it's very volatile, and you will see too much fluctuation everywhere. So a lot of drops, a lot of ups, spikes, and up and down. So you do need to be careful that now is not really time to be gambling in some tokens. Now it's time for you to study, make sure that you get in a project that it's worthy, and the project that will survive and will be here within the next couple of years, for the next bull run at least, right? And the losers, let's see who have the most lost in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, Terra Classic 57% down just in the last 24 hours, because as we know, I think I have a news here about Luna. Today, it's supposedly to be the new Terra. Let's go here to see if we see my Twitter is not loading. Don't understand if it's only mine or yours as well. I don't know if it's a Twitter problem or just my internet. Anyway, apparently, well, supposedly Terra Luna launch tomorrow, but today apparently the new airdrop for the Terra or for the Luna 2.0, it's today. 10% down, around at 69.50 cents, $69.50. Torchain 2.57 at 7.25%. Waves at 6% down. Looprings 5% down. AVAX Avalanche at 2.24% down, just went down. And sit at sweet $22. If you believe Avalanche is a token that or a project that will be here, remember that Avalanche is also a layer 1 protocol, a blockchain that if you believe is going to be here. I don't really like the tokenomics of the Avalanche, but still at 22, maybe there is an opportunity here. Ape Coins 3.20% down, sitting at $6.38. And as we can see here, the C is red. The way I like to see the C is red, I go to the crypto bubbles, because here it shows you, I like the way they shows here. And you can actually see, can you see here? Everything is red. There is this two huge growth here on this token. Don't even know which token is this. Let's see, 1 year. $21 sitting here, this token. I don't know what this token is. Hex, guys, look, Hex, the moment, if you can see here, if we zoom in a year, you can see that in a day, Hex, it's at 5 cents, 5 cents. And the lower point of today was reached 4 cents. Guys, what do you see? It's 40% down. And I see, when I see this, I see opportunity, right? Opportunity. That's what I see. Okay, regarding Terra Luna, Terra to burn $1 billion USD from the community pool as holders vote for it. The proposal highlights that the burn may help restore the USD dollar peg by burning the excess supply. Wait, this is 3 hours ago. In another attempt to support the revival of Terra Luna, the community voted to burn a large amount of USD from its community pool earlier in May. Terra founder Don Juan explained that a potential solution to the Terra debacle is to absorb the stable supply. In response to these users proposed the burning of the 1 billion Terra Luna USD that was stored in Terra community pool and then remain cross-chain USD that's deployed on the Ethereum blockchain as incentive. According to the proposal, the burning will help reduce the outstanding bad debt of the Terra economy. Apart from this, it's also expected to play a significant part in the restoring the USD dollar peg by eliminating a big chunk of excess supply. The proposal was submitted on the 12th May of 12 and was expected to be finalized after 7 days. However, it failed to execute due to the mismatch in the amount of USD in the community pool and the proposal. This is because of another proposal that was executed, resulting in the removal of the sum fund from the pool. As you know, we talked yesterday here about the Luna. The proposal was passed. Everything should be good to go, and the airdrop, if I'm not wrong, starting today. I don't remember. I don't really know yet how to calculate that, but guys, it's very little. I must have over 100,000 Luna in my wallet, which I did got after post attack, just out of gambling. But I think if you get 1 Luna, I think it's gonna be a top. I don't think not even that, to be honest. With 100,000, imagine that. But I'm not sure yet how that's gonna work. But I think the airdrop is happening today. Okay, and tomorrow is the launch of the new blockchain. Hackers. Yes, we've been talking a lot about safety here on the channel as well. So hackers test its own medicine as communities get back stolen NFTs. The dev partner of the Solana-based NFTs game raised the royalties to 98% from the usual 5%, resulting in the scammer listing the 25 stolen NFTs for sale, which were then brought back and returned. The tales of traders getting scammed out of the NFTs were quite common at the peak of the NFT boom. However, in an interesting turn-off event, the Solana community came together to scam a scammer in order to get back some stolen NFTs. It all started with the Discord channel back of cross-chain game development studio Uncharted NFTs, where scammers managed to drain out 109 user wallets. The scammer got away with 150 plus Solana token and 25 worlds of Solana WOS NFTs, including 3 rares and highly volume digital collectible. WOS is a collection of 2,222 unique heroes with the most expensive avatar currently listed for 123 Solana, about $5,600. The current floor price of the collection is 2 Solana. And in the aftermath of the hack, the community decided to get back to the stolen NFT. The WOS team got in touch with the dev partner, who goes by the Twitter name Cyberfrog, and raised royalties on stolen NFTs 98% from the default 5%. They did very nice. The community was asked to keep an eye on the Solana NFTs marketplace Magic Eden for any new listing. The scammers fell for the trap within 2 days, and the community managed to buy back 15 NFTs while the other 10 were snapped. Snapping, it's a process of waiting until the last few seconds of NFT's auction in order to make a winning bid. This strategy is used to prevent other NFTs bidder from placing a higher bid before the auction ends. The community managed to retrieve the other 10 snapped NFTs as well and return the 25 WOS NFTs to the rightful owners. Well done, guys. That's very nice to hear. See, as I tell you guys, my is not loading properly. But anyway, follow us on Twitter as well. Let me open here. These things with NFTs and people stealing NFTs and people scammer you on the Telegram stuff. Guys, we've been saying this for ages here on the channel. Do not click, do not connect your wallet to fake websites. But how do I know it's a fake website? Go investigate, get in the community, get in the community on the Telegram, get in the Discord, find the Twitter, speak up on the community. See if the project you are trying to get in, doesn't matter if it's NFTs, new token, DeFi, whatever it is, make sure that you are 100% sure. And even then, we saw Luna, right? We saw Luna. So even then, we might get rug pull. So you need to be aware and be looking after yourself in order for you not to get scammed. The thing is, as we can see, the market is down. We might see a spike going up crazy and everybody going to start, oh my God, we coming back, bull run, and then we might drop again. So the reason why this happened, because market makers, they will play with the markets, whales going to be manipulating people in order to jump in, and then they can dump in your head. You need to be careful. We are in a bear market. The price might go up, it might, but I don't think it will happen on the next week, on the next month. Will take a couple of months, probably, not sure. Remember, everything in crypto, it's possible. Some events may happen, like Luna drop and broke the whole market down with it. We were already going down on a downtrend line, but when Luna got rugged everyone, basically the whole market collapsed because a lot of people felt fear and the trust went out of the window. So there's no more trust in the market. So everything went down, helping the bear market to go even deeper. Can we go even deeper? I think it might happen that we drop to maybe below 25. I think today was at 28, correct? Let me check. Today we are at 29. But today, I think we went as slow as 28, if I'm not wrong. See, look here. Look this one here. 28,300. So I still believe we're gonna drop more. If we go up above 30, 31, 32, we might see a little spike, but we might drop again. And for those drop, that you guys need to be careful where you're gonna put your money. Of course, if you know the projects you're going in and you for the long term, never mind. DCA, right? Every time there's a dip or there's a drop, you buy a little bit. So there is no problem because you are in the space for a long term. Or a long term, right? So that's how you should think. That's how we are thinking. That's what we are doing as well. We are DCAing like crazy because any opportunities that we see in projects that we are either already in or project that we would like to get in and was expensive and now it's ultra cheap. So now we saw, for example, we saw Hex, it's at 5 cents, 4 cents. You know, I remember I buy Hex for 15 cents. I buy for 13. I buy for 25. I buy for 10. I buy for 12. I buy for 11. Now I buy for 5. Remember? So that's how I think you should play in this very volatile market. Now that's that, guys. There's not many news today. As again, my Twitter is not working properly. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Smash the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. Because like this, you help our BitBrother communities to grow. Follow us on Twitter as well, even though Twitter is not working at the moment. Follow us on Papa BitBrother, Casquinha Crypto, because like this, you get more information that we bring to you constantly on our Twitter as well. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the show. It was very short, but very informative. And I'll see you guys on the next live or in the next video.